Let's learn Yippee Ki-Yay, I Just Want to Dance. It's choreographed by Sarah Preston Britto. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Yippee Ki-Yay, I Just Want to Dance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to point our right toe forward, point our right toe to the right side, and we're going to do a right sailor step, crossing our right behind our left. Step our left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. We're now going to point our left toe forward, point our left toe to the left side, and we're going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn stepping back with your left foot. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. Step your right foot out to the side and step your left foot out to the side but slightly forward. Let's try that with some counts. Doing your points. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to kick your left foot low and forward. You're going to step back with your left and touch your right toe back. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your right and do a low kick forward with your left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your step kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, and you're going to do 2 pony steps back. We're going to step back with our left, and we're going to pop our right knee up, settle down onto your right foot, then step back with your left and pop your right knee up. You're now going to step back with your right, pop your left knee up, step down onto your left, step back with your right, pop your left knee up. You're now going to rock back with your left and recover onto your right. Now, if pony steps are hard, you can replace those with triples back. So you would step left, right, left, right, left, right, rock back, recover. But the pony steps are fun, I promise. When you're doing those pony steps, you want to pretend like you were riding a horse. So you're going back, lift, back, and that step with the right is on the ball of your right foot. Same thing when you step back with the right, that step with the left is on the ball of your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to rock forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, step right to the side, cross left over right. We're now going to do 2 1/8 pivots. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to swing your hips around and you're going to make a 1/8 pivot, which is going to put you at the 430 diagonal. We're now going to repeat that. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, make that 1/8 pivot with your hips, putting your weight onto your left foot, facing 3 o'clock, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part with some counts. We would have just rocked back with our left and recovered onto our right. You're rocking and doing your crossing shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that is the whole dance, and you will start all over with your point, point, sailor step. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our forward point. Point forward, point side, right, sailor step, point forward, point side, quarter sailor step, step, kick, back, touch, step, quarter pivot, step, kick, left rock, recover, left, pony step, back, right, pony step, back, left rock, back, recover, left side, a rock, crossing shuffle, 1/8 pivot, 1/8 pivot, and you're facing 3 o'clock with your weight on your left foot, ready to start the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your points. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go around, we're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we will do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your points. Point forward, side, sailor, step. Point forward, side, quarter, sailor, step. Step, kick, back, touch, step, quarter, pivot, step, kick, left rock, recover, left pony, back, right pony, back, rock, back, recover, side rock, crossing shuffle, step 1/8 pivot, step 8 pivot, point 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point forward, side right, sailor, step, point forward, side left, quarter, sailor, step, step, kick, back, touch, step, quarter, pivot, step, kick, forward, rock, recover, left pony, back, right pony, back, rock, back, recover, side rock, crossing shuffle. Now your 2 pivots, step, little pivot, step, kick. Point forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn Yippee-ki-yay. I just want to dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.